So starting the test drive in this 3500 HD Denali Ultimate, of course the Duramax powertrain, well I should say the Duramax and Allison powertrain, has a history of being popular among heavy duty truck owners for the power, just what you can do to them, and then just the reliability overall. I would say most importantly though, just what they can do while towing. Let's give it some throttle here. Now, very, very quick truck, just getting up to speed here on the interstate. Now we do have a lane keeping system, which is great. The adaptive cruise control here. I wish we had Super Cruise. I don't know how good that would be on a truck this big, especially if you had a trailer or something like that, but it'd be neat to have, and we will probably see that in the next few years, I would expect. Probably before we see these things start to go hybrid or electric. But I mean, the ride quality is impressive in this truck. I think a lot of that has to do with just the luxury features you get here. I mean, I have a massage seat going on here, heated, cooled, a heated steering wheel. It just makes everything feel more comfortable than it would probably be in a work truck variant of a 3500 HD. Wind noise, not bad. And again, the ride quality is good. Not really noticing the wheels, the tire sound. But I'm mostly just admiring the sound of the Duramax and the Allison transmission shifts. Now, if you're comparing this to an F350 Limited or the top of the line Ram 3500, I think you'll be pretty impressed because GM came hard with this ultimate trim level, just allowing it to have massage seats, heated, cooled seats, as well as this sunroof and all of these safety features, including adaptive cruise control. Now, I do think with this six-figure sticker price, it's not going to be something that a lot of people end up getting, because a lot of people, I'd say most people get these things because they need them to work. And this truck can work, obviously, with a 30,000 pound fifth wheel trailering capacity, but I do think this is going to be used mostly for people who have super expensive campers that they want to pull with something super expensive, or the manager at job sites, even the owner of a construction company. That's probably going to be the market share there. But I mean, still, as somebody who doesn't even really drive heavy duty trucks, this is impressive to me. From the interior to the visibility, the power you get. Of course, what's most important being the payload and the towing figures. But it's also for a dually, and I've driven older dualies. This newer generation of heavy duty trucks is just that much easier, I think, for the average person to drive. It's not necessarily a lot of work. It's not difficult to keep the truck in the lines. It's not as difficult to see out of. And you just get a lot more safety amenities that come standard, as well as just comfort amenities that come standard. And with this one being optioned out with pretty much everything on here standard, because it's a 106 or a 103 sticker truck, if somebody gave you one of these, you wouldn't be disappointed, trust me. So an impressive truck inside and out. This will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali Ultimate.